So it is officially announced that Boniface Mwangi has confirmed dead, and this is after yesterday we got the information that his brain yesterday went off, and nothing that people really expected much, because this is a shocking information that people really waited for. And you know, kama mtu brain zimeenda off, definitely what do you really expect? Death, of course, because even in other countries, if you turn to that point of in a coma, most of the time they legalize that they can switch off the machine that is supporting the life. But in Kenya, it's not. It is illegal, so they had to wait until the body is off, the body is silenced, and then from there, and the death was announced by 3:15. By 3:15, the spokesman of the family, Mrs. Emily, said that now the Boniface Mwangi has passed on. And it's a very shocking and still for the family, because they've been waiting for the family to come back. They've been waiting for this young man, either he'll be come back again. And also remember, ameacha bili kubwa sana, over 3 point something billion. Now the question is, will the government able to chip in to support the family? Will the person who involved in this death will be any case of getting justice for this gentleman, or they will just pass by, you know? And because there have been those issues between the policemen and Kenyans and the common mwananchi, and you know what? Murkomen CS and the president has said that they will support fully the issue of policemen. So we don't know how this case will go on, and we don't know the final limit, but we still hope that the justice will be found for this gentleman. Maybe, who knows? But for the family, we feel very sorry, because we mourn with the family. This gentleman, he was shot when selling mask. He had no weapons. We call very harmless. So it's very shocking that the policeman found this gentleman standing still, selling mask, a very humble gentleman, and they shoot him to death. You know, in fact, what we waited there is that maybe we were expecting that this guy, in fact, he was dead on that same day. And it was a miracle that he has survived all those days, you know, because if somebody shoots you at the head, then it means you are the brain. And of course, since yesterday report ilisema kwamba the brain turned off, so nothing was responding in his body, even though ilisemekana kuna retro way of heartbeat. But when the brain is off, yeah, any other part of the body, most of the time it cannot work. If it's about visibility, breathing system, they might be working, but in very inactive condition. So we sorry for the family for the loss of Boniface Mwangi, and I hope the justice will be found.